Hi guys, I'm just replacing here the worn out battery of my APC UPS with this new Omni model SRB 12V 9Ah sealed maintenance free lead acid battery. It's rated at a nominal voltage of 12 volts. So it's reading a good voltage of 12.68 volts DC on my UNI-T 191T. This is my UPS nameplate, APC by Schneider Electric, model BX650Li-MS. Input voltage of 230 volts AC, 2.8 amperes, 50-60 Hz. Regulated output of also 230 volts AC. This is the output side of the UPS with battery backup, surge protection outlets. And the battery connector. Let's try the UPS now and see if the newly installed battery works. The UPS is initializing and I think it's making a self-test. Right now the power supply at the back here is coming directly from the normal AC line supply. Let's test it with a Fluke 116. So I'm getting 230 volts, 60 Hz from the normal AC line supply at the back of the UPS. I'm going to simulate a power interruption. So the UPS is giving a voltage of 225 volts to 24 at a frequency of 60 Hz also. So the backup battery works. Thank you for watching.